Good morning, dear children, once again to the online session of our first chapter, that is Introduction to IT/ITES industry. And here we are going to discuss, in today's discussion, we are going to discuss the topic IT in the field of healthcare. In the field of healthcare, what are the different areas where IT plays a prominent role? We will be discussing here along with its implications. So, as you can see in front of all of you, a slide has been placed which depicts the basic utilization of information technology in the field of healthcare. The first point, as it is mentioned here, hospital management system. Hospital management system can be used to maintain and manage patient record as well as various activities pertaining to hospital administration. Now, a kind of system can be created or designed, a kind of software can be designed for hospital management which can keep track of all the patient's records, whether he's from outpatient department or he is being admitted into the hospital, or whether he is using ICU facilities or not. All those things will be considered by the use of application which may come under hospital management system, and that is being done with the help of, that can be created by means of computers and internet. Now the second category is the computerized machines are used for performing EEG, ECG, ultrasound and CT scan. See, most of the before performing any of the surgeries or any of the major tasks inside the hospital, the patients are required to undergo a series of tests in order to find out any kind of disease internal to their body parts. Now, these things can be achieved by means of few of the devices. For example, say electrocardiogram, electroencephalogram, ultrasound and CT scan. All those tasks are generally done by means of computerized machine. Similar to this, apart from these instruments, other measuring instruments as well as surgical equipments are there which monitors patient condition during the complex surgeries. Whenever any complex surgery is performed on the body of a particular individual, during this complex surgery, certain measuring instrument and surgical equipments are being used which utilizes computers and information technology for their operation. Now, let us come to some of the devices which utilizes information technology in the field of healthcare. We will discuss each and every one in detail with their diagram and description. So, let us come. The first category of device in this diagnostic field is CAT machine, or computerized axial tomography machine. Now, what is the purpose of this machine and how it looks like, we will see in this discussion itself. See here, using this machine we can obtain the 3D images of different parts of a body. Okay, so the main purpose of CAT machine is to produce a 3D image of different body parts which can be useful in diagnosis of certain kinds of disease, which will be useful in the diagnosis of certain kinds of disease. An example, a picture of CAT machine looks like this. See, this is the picture of a CAT machine which is depicted there in front of you. Okay, like this, the patients are being inserted inside the machine, and after undergoing the test, the report will be generated which will be describing whether the patient possesses any kind of deformities or disease in him or her. Okay, so using this machine, 3D images of different body parts can be obtained. Now, let us come to the second one, MRI, magnetic resonance imaging machine. These are used to give the digital impression of internal organs of the body. Okay, now in order to obtain, suppose we have a body, physical body. Now, in order to get a digital impression of the interior of our body, internal organs of our body, whether they are working properly, whether they are in a good condition, they are not functioning normally or not, this can be obtained by means of a machine that is known as magnetic MRI machine or magnetic resonance imaging machine. This MRI machine uses strong magnetic field and radio waves. By means of strong magnetic field and radio waves only, these machines operates and find out if any deformity is present inside the internal body parts of our body. The digital images are very helpful in the once the MRI scan is being done, it will produce a digital image of each and every internal body parts, and after obtaining that digital images or digital impressions, it will be beneficial in identification and deciding the treatment for a particular disease for that organ. For that specific organ, suppose liver is there, whether it is having any deformity, whether we need to go for diagnosis or whether we need to go for any treatment, that can be obtained by means of such kind of machines. And it also helps in deciding the treatment for disease. A picture of the same is depicted here. See, it is the picture of an MRI machine which will be beneficial, which will be useful in order to identify a 3D identify a digital images of the internal body parts. Okay, so these are CT scan and MRI machine. Now let us come to the third category, that is electrocardiogram. See, electrocardiogram. What is electrocardiogram? Now the main purpose of this kind of device is to monitor the heartbeat, whether our heart is functioning normally or not, whether our heartbeat is normal or not. All those things can be monitored by means of ECG, electrocardiogram. When the heart pumps blood to different parts of the body, some electrical impulses are produced. Now what happens, as soon as the heart beats, during this operation, during heartbeat operation, the heart pumps blood to different parts of the body, and during this pumping of blood, certain electrical impulses are produced, certain electrical impulses or vibrations are produced, which can be detected or recorded by means of this ECG machine, which can be detected and recorded in the form of graph by using this ECG machine, electrocardiography machine. This machine records the electrical impulses and shows in the form of graph. Okay, so whenever the heart pumps blood to different parts of the body, certain electrical impulses are generated, and those electrical impulse, they are being recorded in the form of a graph by means of electrocardiogram. So how it looks like, let us see in our next page. See, this is the picture of an electrocardiogram and this is the picture of an electrocardiograph. Like these machines are attached to our body near the heart, nearby to our heart, and after performing the operations, after performing the electrocardiogram, a graph will be generated like this, which will depict the normal functioning of your heart, whether your heart is functioning normally or not, and those in the form of electrical impulses, these are being generated here. So this is electrocardiogram. Now let us come to the next one, that is cardiac screening machine. Apart from electrocardiograph, one more type of machine is there which deals with the heart, that is cardiac screening machine. This machine, the main purpose of this machine is to depict the physiology of heart and the movement inside the heart. Whatever the movement that is undergoing inside the heart, as well as the physiology of heart, that can be understood by means of this cardiac screening machine. Now, based on this physiology and the movement inside the heart, we can diagnose problems, if any. Based on the physiology and movement inside the heart, we can diagnose for any problems such as thinning of veins and then recommend treatment for the same. Means by using cardiac screening machine, we can check whether the veins inside the heart got thinned or any other kind of issue is there with the heart. Those can be diagnosed, and finally treatment can be suggested for the same. Now, how a cardiac screening machine looks like, let's see. See, our cardiac screening machine will be like this. We need to insert, we need to attach a machine into our, nearby to our heart in chest, and the whole physiology as well as movement which is undergoing inside the heart will be displayed in the form of, in the front of us in a computer screen. So this is the diagram depicting the cardiac screening machine, its functionality. Now, apart from this device, one more type of device is there, that is electroencephalography machine. Electroencephalography machine. It records the activity of brain. Just as in the case of heart, electroencephalography is there for brain. It is used to record the activities of brain. Now here, certain electrical probes are attached to head, which receive electrical impulses generated by the brain and display on the computer screen. Means, whenever we attach this device into our hand, all the electrical impulses that is being generated by our brain will be recorded and displayed on the computer screen. And using this device, we can retrieve the data in both states, when a patient is asleep or as well as awake. Using this device, whether our brain is functioning normally or whether any issue is there with our brain, that can be retrieved in both the states, that is in whenever patient is asleep as well as in the awake condition. In both the situation, it will be helpful. Okay, so how it looks like, let us see. See, this is the electrical probes which is attached to the head of a patient, and after attaching this, all the movement or all the activities will be recorded inside the computer. Okay, so this is EEG machine. Then apart from these, two more devices are there, blood sugar testing machine and blood pressure testing machine. Now, using blood sugar testing machine, samples of blood are analyzed and determines, and the blood glucose level inside our body can be determined. Using blood sugar testing machine, we can analyze the sample of blood and determine the blood glucose level in our body. Okay, similar to this, a blood pressure testing machine is also there, which can be worn as a wristband, which can be kept as a wristband in our hand, and which in turn will measure the blood pressure of a person at rest or when he is in some activity. Suppose a person is doing rest. In that situation also, that wristband can be attached, and whenever he is involved in any physical activity, say exercise, running, jumping, cycling, in that situation also this wristband can be worn and tested, and the blood pressure of that particular person can be tested. Now let us see how the blood sugar testing machine and a blood pressure testing machine can look like. So these are the two devices. This is an example of blood sugar testing machine, and this is blood pressure testing machine. Okay, so with this I would like to conclude the discussion of ICT in the field of healthcare. Thank you.